Alright, hey buddy, this is 54 Nooster, and I want to open this video up with basically an apology. I've been doing the tutorials like I have, like I said I have, instead I've been basically just filling up with reviews, and yes, there have been some cover cube tutorials, but this channel was kind of like based on construction too, so I've kind of like reset this channel to be construct 2. I still think the Copper Cube engine, Unreal, Unity engines have places on my channel. This is a tutorial channel. This is mainly a gaming tutorial channel on how to like develop video games and possibly applications in the future. So that's what I will be doing. I'll be finishing up, uh, this is Grotto. This is the 2D platformer we almost finished, and then I just decided, hey, no, you guys aren't interested. And instead, you guys were like really wanting it back. So it's back. I'm working on AI right now. I'm testing out some new plugins, and then refamiliarizing myself with some other ones that I was always kind of scared to play around with. And I even fixed some bugs that, I mean, I haven't been like out of Construct 2. I constantly am usually using Construct 2, but let's just go in and see what I've been doing with this. So I cleaned up some of the stuff. Uh, we now have a better working shooting system. So it works a lot better. It's actually pretty simple. I'm actually going to move since this is on my computer, and these are actually lives, these little orange things in these jars. So in case you were to get hit, let's get hit this dude. Okay, you see the guy flipped? That's a detection I'm using to detect how close you are to him, because that's within like 100 something. I'll show you the code real quick. Event sheet 5, line of sight, player to player character. If you're within, if he has line of sight, and then I'm saying, I'm trying to figure out to where if he has line of sight within so close, and that would actually be, if we are to edit this a bit, or take a look at it, line of sight right over here in the properties, on your left hand side, it says obstacle solids, range, and then I'm going to be using, there's a turret application, and I think on the forums there's another application for better AI systems, so I'll be checking that out. So you're going to see this in a, I want to say in a day or two, but I do have college. I run 6 classes, so at a full 4-year college, I'm taking the full load there, and then at another 2-year college that I used to go to, I'm taking 2 classes there to transfer over to the 4 years. So I'm taking 6 classes. So I'm kind of like got a lot of stuff going on. However, I have kind of been slacking. So I'm going to get this tutorial. I'm going to get the AI set up. We're actually going to finish this. So it's going to have a couple AI. The sprite set has three bad guys. We're going to use the 3 bad guys. We're going to create a purpose why this game is here. So basically the old story was that you need to collect parts. We're going to collect parts. We're going to have a level setup, enemies, you collecting stuff, you building it, and then the game ends. And then basically at this point, I'm going to start mimicking, well, not mimicking, but showing you guys how the other games are created. So we're going to start in with like Mario or Banjo-Kazooie. We're going to start taking these games and just taking them apart, explaining how they are created. And this is, again, a lot of people are like, oh, why I just start something new. There's specifically almost no new mechanics. And to do that specifically, you have to know the old mechanics. We're going to go into Mario, Banjo-Kazooie, all these old 2D games, explain it, rebuild it at a smaller scale, because we can't build like a full scale like Mario game. So it'd be power-ups, magic effects, or magical effects into 2D. Moving it to 2D devices and PC, web, all this type of stuff, and putting it up. I'll be putting all this stuff up onto Newgrounds, guys, so you can play around with it, test it out, and give me feedback. But yeah, this is basically reopening up Construct 2. If you would like certain tutorials, post them down below. I've already gotten a couple tutorials dealing with, specifically this one was dealing with AI. That's why I reopened up Grotto. Another one is Basically, you know how you can shift your phone on some of these video games and your character will either move around to that? Well, we're going to start doing that in Construct 2. I've been testing that out for the past, I want to say, day or two. So we're going to start moving our character on how we actually rotate our phone around. So that's actually pretty cool. Uh, so yeah, there's going to be a ton of stuff. Well, I'm going to say there's going to be a lot of information in these videos. There may be fewer to, I won't be just slamming them out like I have been, but they're going to contain more information. So, again, guys, I'm really sorry. Hit the like button if you're up to it. Again, I've always stated on my channel, you don't have to like, you don't have to subscribe, but at least comment so I know how you're feeling, how you want this channel to move on. I've had some opportunities, as you guys have seen in the past, to meet up with some companies, review some products, maybe grab a couple sponsorships to kind of help grow the channel, grab some licenses from these game engines, and hire artists for free 3D, 2D content. That's kind of always been a strong goal, is to get you guys assets that are very well made, almost literally just professional or just really close mobile content, everything that you guys need to make a video game. So possibly in the future some sort of asset library, or I'll team up with Unity, Asset Store, Blender Swap, Open Game Art, and just start unloading decent amounts of 2D, 3D textures, 3D models, already rigged stuff, animated stuff, some really great content. But that's up to you guys if you want that. So yeah, sorry about the whole spielage and everything. Just comment down below, guys, what you think I should do, and I will try and get it done. This is John with 54 New Star, and I will see you guys in the next video.